All right. So we have read tenses, past tense. We have read present tense. Now it's turn to take future tense. So the future tense is used for expressing an action that is likely to place in future, as the title itself says. Ki when the action is going to happen in future, it will come in future tense. We know that will, shall, and is going to are used for expressing actions in the future tense. This is also divided in four parts as it happened in past and present tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Today we are going to study first two tenses, simple future and future continuous tense. The simple future tense is used with will and shall as a helping verb. Fine. Simple future tense or the future indefinite tense, दोनों चीजें एक ही है. In this, we use will and shall as a helping verb. Simple future tense is used for expressing an action which will take place in future, but it is not planned. समझना चीज को कि चीजें प्लान नहीं है. आई मीन इट इज नॉट प्रायरली डिसाइडेड, बट हाँ हो सकता है, तो उसके लिए वी विल यूज simple future tense for expressing planned or intended action in future. For example, I will pick up my friend in the afternoon. See, when the things are planned or intended यानी when the things are already set in your mind, उसके लिए भी you will use this one. For example, I will pick up my friend in the afternoon. Next, for referring to a general statement about the future. फ्यूचर में कुछ होने वाला है उसके बारे में अगर आपको पता है तो उसके लिए यू आर गोइंग टू डिक्लेयर. तो फॉर द सेम आल्सो वी यूज दिस. फॉर एग्जांपल, द सेंसेक्स will crumble down as the oil prices are rising. कि oil prices बढ़ रहे हैं तो सेंसेक्स automatically will come down. Now, where do we use will? Where do we use shall? Will, when we decide to do something at the time of speaking, when we are saying something and the things are already decided, it will for that we will use will. For example, I will have a glass of mango shake. I mean, मैं बोल रहा हूं तो मैं लूंगा. Fine. She will lie down for some time as she is tired. For expressing something that will definitely happen or something cannot be changed. For example, the scheme will be launched next month. The buses will not ply tomorrow due to strike. The buses will not start tomorrow due to strike. For offering to do something, I'll bake a cake for my sister. I'll pay your electricity bill. For requesting something to do something, will you shut the door, please? For promising to do something, I'll help you in the task. These days, shall is mainly used for asking questions, for giving suggestions or making efforts. But generally, don't forget कि shall हम लोग generally we use with I, we. इन दो चीजों के साथ we use always shall. बाकियों के साथ we often use will. So, for example, shall we take the children to go to the water park this Sunday? Suggestion. और we के साथ काम में लिया है. Shall we leave now? Question. And I used it with we. Sentence structure: subject plus will shall plus V1 plus object. For example, Rama will go to market tomorrow. Affirmative, Sham will do this work. Negative, I shall not go out. Interrogative, shall I do this for you? Continuous tense. The future continuous tense, as the title itself says, चीजें चलती जा रही है, future में होंगी. For indicating an action that will be going on in future. For example, she will be joining a coaching center in for exams. कि वो join करेगी. Otherwise, I mean, simply होता join करेगी तो she will join coaching center. पर वो join कर रही होगी. I mean, there's a certain prediction कि वो कर रही होगी वो काम. For that we use this. For referring to a pre-scheduled future plan, the manager will be meeting the new clients. मिल रहा होगा. For referring to a longer ongoing future action interrupted by another shorter future action. For example, Sahil will be, wait. Sahil will be, wait. Sahil will be studying when you reach home. कि आप पहुंचोगे तब वो पढ़ रहा होगा, मिलेगा. It is not certain, but yes, things are there. Sentence structure: subject will be, shall be, V1 ing, then object. Again the same thing, shall लगेगा हमारा I और V के साथ, and will be there with everything. He will be visiting you soon. Manav will be reaching here in a short while from now. Negative, he will not be visiting you. Interrogative, shall I be going with you? Again interrogative में मैंने shall लगाया है किसके साथ? I और V के साथ. Now, difference between simple present tense and simple future tense. See, you see this example. The IPL match begins tomorrow. कल शुरू होता है. I mean, the date is already fixed. बहुत time से. The group leaves for Jaipur next week. कल जाता है. I mean, when in these sentences, the simple present tense is used for expressing future events. ये चीजें हो रही future में है, but इसके साथ हमने लगाया है begins और leaves. क्यों? Which are already planned and scheduled to play. I mean, these things are already scheduled कि ये चीजें होगी ही होगी future में. The dates are fixed. तो उसके लिए we have used simple present tense. The simple present tense is often used for this purpose. The conference starts after an hour. ये चीज पहले से decided है. For that also they have used simple present tense. When we use is going to, there is an intention to do an action, but there is no arrangement or plan. If suppose I say I am going to teach you this, मतलब मैं पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ बट मेरे दिमाग में कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है कि मैं कैसे करूंगी. She is going to make a phone call. वो फोन कॉल करने वाली, but she did not think it prior. उसने पहले से नहीं सोच रखा था कि मैं कोई फोन कॉल करूंगी. Fine, so it is like that. So this is it for today.